Day 67, 3D printing something brand new every single day. So if you haven't been following me, I just finished building my brand new desk setup. It is awesome and it looks super clean and minimal up front, but if you go down below, it is an absolute mess. So I was looking for a solution and I found these awesome little cable reels on MakerWorld. This should allow me to actually screw these into the bottom of the desk so that they don't fall down again and organize the cables really nicely. Alrighty, so this print just finished up. Basically how these work is this part actually screws into the bottom with those little 3 holes right there, and then you'll actually wrap the wire in this part and it just clicks on top like that. So you'll have exits on the side to actually have the cables come out, but a very simple solution that is very necessary for the absolute mess that I have under my desk right now.